Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to solve a simultaneous equation with fractions, step by step. The first step to solving this simultaneous equation is to
take the 1 over 2x and then times it by something, which would make it equal to minus 8. Because minus 8 and then the positive 8 would make the x is equal to 0. Now, if you do the multiplication correctly, you would see that 1 over 2 times minus 16 is equal to minus 8. Now that you've got the minus 16, you would take that and times it by the first row here. So, so it would be minus 8x, and then 1 over 3 times minus 16, that would equal minus 16 over 3. And then 11 times minus 16, that would be minus 176. So that would be the first row.
So the equation should be looking something like this now. So now you'd add all these values up. Minus 8 and positive 8, they cancel out. Minus 16 over 3 plus 2 over 5 would give you the y value. Minus 176 and then the positive 102. Now take a moment to do the working out. The solution for minus 16 over 3 plus 2 over 5 is minus 74 over 15. And negative 176 plus 102 is 74. So this would be our equation. Now the equation is just basic algebra. So what you want to do is take the coefficient of y and then divide it by the constant, which would give you this. So when you're dividing the minus 74 over 15, you want to take the reciprocal, which is minus 15 over 74. And then once you do that, you times it by the minus 74. And then the 74 cancels out, and then you were left with 15. That means 15 is equal to y. Now that we know what y is, we just need to go back to our original question and find what x is. So let's plug in the y value. 1 over 2x plus 1 over 3y, which is 15. So you substitute the 15 for y, is equal to 11. Go ahead and try solving this equation to find the x value. So let's try doing this equation now. So 1 over 2x plus 15 over 3. 15 over 3 just boils down to 5 is equal to 11. So 11 minus 5, that would give us 6. And then just drag down the 1/2 down here. So keep in mind that the 1/2 is the coefficient of x. So if you want to get the x by itself, you want to divide both sides by 1/2. And now once you're dividing a fraction with a whole number, you want to take the reciprocal of that fraction. So this would go on top. So that'd just be 6 times 2, and that'd be 12. Now that we know the values of both x and y, we can plug them into the equations. You can choose either this one or this one. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to take the first one, for example. So 1 over 2x, x which is 12, plus 1 over 3, y which is 15 times 15, is equal to 11. In the end, you should get something like this. So 12 over 2, which is 6, so we can write 6 down here. And then 15 over 3, which is 5. And 6 plus 5 should equal 11. And that's correct. So we got the question correct.